So, this is it. My first day on the water. Successfully done. I'm here in Secret Cove. There's a little marina in the back there, but because of the COVID restrictions, I'm not gonna go in there. And what I heard, that they all along the coast BC, they try to distance themselves from everybody coming in. So I see there's a few boats anchored that direction behind these rocks. There's a bunch of rocks there and this little coves. And I'm out here. I'm anchored in about 65, 70 feet. And for Sunline, this is no big deal. My anchor gear is solid, heavy. And I'm the only boat here. So this is really not a lot of people on the water. I only seen a handful of boats actually. And beautiful weather. I thought I'm gonna show you guys the sunset that's happening in a few minutes right behind me there. I got some food on the stove and I'm hungry. It was a long day. Thankfully I'm out of the dry dock and finished basically all my jobs that I had on my list. If you want to see what I did to make a boat project a success, I made a video about this. That was just my personal experience. I know there might be other opinions, and also other people see a lot of other things more important. But anyway, so I'm glad I'm out of there, and it was a beautiful ride down the Fraser River, and I'm about 40-50 miles north of Vancouver. I'm going another 50 miles that direction north. I'm on the so-called Sunshine Coast of BC, and well, the name is a brand and the sun is shining. So thanks for watching, guys. Go down in the galley, check on my soup, and I'm hungry. All right.
Why don't you cry, my babe, into an ocean wave? And maybe I'll leave your wishes for your love. I desire, like a bird raising fire. I've listened to the wind in case I hear your cry. Come blowing through the sky. For your love I desire, like a bird raising fire. I sometimes wonder why.
Hey, good morning.
Why can't I see
It
your
is Saturday, May long weekend here in Canada, and I'm still
perhaps a cry
in the Desolation Sound,
for your love?
and I'm gonna take you guys along
I desire
for picking up my prawn traps, which are
like a bird.
sitting right over there, a couple 100 meters out. I dropped 2 baskets in about 350, 400 feet, and it is a quiet morning. It is 6:30 in the morning, I think almost 7 actually now, and there's nobody around. I started the dinghy. So there is my, where is it? Right there, the orange little buoy. This is my prawn trap, and this is a channel here, so there is a high and low tide flowing in and out. This is Desolation Sound in the morning here. It's wonderful weather the last couple days, and why I'm trying to pick this up in the morning, because there's always a bit of wind coming in the afternoon, and it makes it rather difficult for me being all by myself to go out there, pick up the things, come back in once a bit of a waves coming in, because sometimes the wind's blowing through the channel. There's 2 bigger channels. There's one loop that goes around the mountains right there, and this is in the background you see snow-covered mountains. That's actually Vancouver Island, and so the wind blowing in sometimes from this side as well. But I figured out in the morning until noon, 1 o'clock, it's quiet, so I'm using my time picking up my trap, which is right there, and the plan is gonna be these 2 baskets. I'm gonna come in right to that gate here, on the side deck, drop my baskets here, bring the dinghy back around to the lift, which actually works perfect. The lift that I just made in Vancouver Boatyard, and take care of the dinghy, and then come out and see. Oh, wow, I hope there's something in there, and take the prawns out. The fishing regulations here in Canada say per license you are allowed to pick up 125 shrimp a day. So I'm gonna count them out and see what I'm gonna do with them. Cook them. Lock system mounted, and at the end there is a carabiners that hook up to the dinghy. So I just unhook those. It's fairly simple. Give it a bit of slack, and
your bones. I don't wanna be the only one singing this song. I don't wanna be the lonely one humming along. Just open up your mouth and sing along. Just open up your mouth and sing along. I don't wanna be the only one singing this song. I don't wanna be the lonely one humming along. Just let this song fill up your heart and let your mind drift away. The sound it seems to go, I don't even care. The sound is a river that flows through your hair. Sing the song alone for my empty friend. Hold my hand and put it up high. This is not the end. Let this song fill your heart with its gentle tone. Let this song fill your mind, soak into your bones. Sing this song all over the road for my empty friend. Hold my hand and put it up high. This is not the end. The sound it seems to go, I don't even care. The sound is a river that flows through your hair. Sing this song alone for my empty friend. Hold my hand and put it up high. This is not the end. Let this song fill your heart with its gentle tone. Let this song fill your mind, soaked into your bones.
Okay, there's my catch. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shrimp and 2 little baby crabs, so I'm not gonna take the crabs. And this is it. There's Sunline. Took a while to get these all back up. It was 500 feet of rope. It was only 350 to 400 feet, but I put all the rope on. So
Why don't you cry, my babe, into an ocean wave? And baby, I'll hear your like a bird, raging fire.
When the boy came back, the old man was asleep in the chair and the sun was down. The boy took the old man's blanket off the bed and spread it over the back of the chair and over the old man's shoulders.